thanks everybody for coming today. As Arissa said, I've been doing this now for 5 years. It's been a lot of fun. This is something that I always enjoy doing because in our roles, you go to work every day and you go home after a 12-hour day or a 14-hour day or longer, really wonder what have I accomplished, did I really add value? Well, this will be different because you'll walk out of here at 1:30 and be able to see what you've done different, and how you contributed. So I think it is a great feeling. Habitat is just a wonderful charity, and it's something that is by far, from what I believe, is the most sustainable group out there. When you think about how they do their investments and how people can actually work and get equity in their place and then move on, it's something that I find is very special. I think you're being quite modest when you say that Edmonton has the largest in Canada. That's by an order of magnitude of 2 or 3 times larger than any other group. So that's very impressive. They've just done an amazing job here.